29th question. A. State Raoult's law for a solution containing volatile components. How does Raoult's law become a special case of Henry's law? B part. 1 gram of 1 gram of non-electrolyte solute dissolved in 50 grams of benzene lowered the freezing point of benzene by 0.40 Kelvin. Find the molar mass of the solute. Kf for benzene is equal to 5.12 kg per mole. Or define the following terms: ideal solution, azeotrops, osmotic pressure. B. A solution of glucose CH12O6 in water is labeled as 10% of weight, 10% by weight. What would be the molarity of the solution? Molar mass of glucose is given as 180 grams per mole. Solution. A. According to Raoult's law, vapor pressure of component is directly proportional to its mole fraction at a particular temperature. PA directly proportional to XA, PA is equal to PA naught XA. Similarly, PB is equal to PB naught XB, PT is equal to PA naught XA plus PB naught XB. In Henry's law, mole fraction of a gas at a particular temperature is proportional to the pressure exerted over a gas. P gas is equal to Kx gas, which we can say for volatile substance it is a special case of Henry's law. B part. Delta Tf is equal to Kfm. Delta Tf is equal to Kf Wb upon Mb into 1000 upon Wa. Putting the values into the equation, we'll get Mb as 256 grams per mole. Or part. A part. First, ideal solution. Ideal solution is a solution which follows Raoult's law. In ideal solution, like force of attraction are equal to unlike force of attraction, and therefore AH mixing is equal to 0, delta V mixing is equal to 0, delta S mixing is greater than 0. Second part, azeotrops. At a particular concentration, the mixture of two or more than two components boil at constant temperature. Such mixture is called as azeotrope mixtures. The components of azeotropic mixture cannot be separated by distillation. Third part, osmotic pressure. When two solutions of same solvent having different concentration are separated by semi-permeable membrane, the solvent particles move from less concentration to more concentration. It results in rising of liquid level on more concentrated site. Amount of external pressure required to be applied on more concentrated site to stop the movement of solvent particles is called as osmotic pressure. B part. Molality is equal to percentage by weight upon molar mass into 1000 upon 100 minus percentage weight upon weight. Putting the values into the formula, we'll get the molar mass, we'll get the molality of the solution as 0.617 m.